Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all doing great. Today I've got another old build unboxing. This one here was kept in an IMAX 125 scale auto display case box that I paid $4.90 for. Now when I first grabbed this box off the shelf, I didn't see anything on either side, so it was going to be a mystery. But then I realized when I sat down, it actually says Hangman in there. Let's see how many of you remember this kit from back in the day. I don't know if it's available nowadays. I don't know if it's been reissued, any of that kind of stuff. But here we're going to take a look at it. Let's see. Oh, sideways in there. And here we go. Something fell off of it. Oh, it was one of the lights. But other than that, it seems to be in fairly good condition. One of the little lights popped off the top. Looks like it just sits in there like that. I believe it's a 1920s something Ford. What were they called? Were they called C cabs with that C shape in it? I'm not sure. I don't remember. This one I did in well, it was molded in black, and I painted what appears to be like a beige, almost a apartment beige, builder quality paint. Yeah, I did it on the stacks and on the very tip of the thing here, whatever this is called, the boom. Looks like that was broken at one time. Let's see how it looks on the bottom. Oh, just as pretty underneath. I don't remember how old I was when I built this one. It was a few years back. It says copyright. Alright, hold on. On the very bottom, behind the axle, there's some information there. It says copyright Monogram models. And I can't get the light to hit it just right. Let me see if I put it down a sec. All rights reserved. Hangman. Really? Okay. But no date, folks. I will spend some time on ScaleMates and try and figure out the exact date on this one. It was pretty cool. I think around the same time they came out with another kit very similar to this, but I don't remember what that was. And as always, if I can get a downloadable picture off the internet, I'll post it at the end of the video. So that's it for that one. Hope you like that one. I'd like to just blow the dust off of it and display it as is. Just a memory of back in the day. You guys need to start posting some of your old builds and share them with us. I'm really curious to see how you guys have done. You know, it's like show and tell at school. You know, nobody's bragging. We're just showing because we're proud of what we did. Even, you know, atrocities like this. All right, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Get the word out. We're nearing 1,000 subscribers, and that's going to be a lot of fun. So I appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.